The Sov's care, and you couldn't get any intel on the bias?
Well, I tried. Sov's a cagey one. Almost never talks shop in front of me.
Can't imagine why.
Hey, he trusted me enough to believe I was an expert on all this Hoysala crap.
Hoysala.
Yeah, that too.
By the way, thanks for keeping him busy for us.
Yeah, I wanted to buy you some time in case you were coming to get me.
Of course we were.
Seriously, thanks. I really thought I was a goner.
I wouldn't let that happen. Your brother would never let me hear the end of it. Found the train tracks. Sort of. It's kind of a shock seeing all these modern structures after the Hoysala ruins.
Sounds like either British or Portuguese. 1800s, so not quite modern. Shit, you there?
It's circling.
The Sov thinks we're dead. Let's try to keep it that way.
So, Nadine.
We're not on a first name basis.
Okay, fine. I heard you worked for us last week.
Here we go. This way. Copy that. Should have packed my machete. It'll help.
No problem. Go ahead.
No, you first.
Much obliged.
Wow.
Oh, yes!
Holy shit.
Chloe!
You there? It's okay. I'm okay.
I'm right behind you!
That was close.
Oh, yes!
Holy shit.
Chloe!
You there? It's okay. I'm okay.
I'm right behind you!
That was close. Hey, where's Sam? Oh, right. Forgot about that. Sam! Where are you?
I'm coming! Oh, hey, look, you're back.
Minor detour. You coming?
I would, but the bridge here is a little busted.
Good jump.
I'm flattered you think I'm capable of superhuman feats, but it's kind of far.
Hey, this might do the trick. Holy mother of shit, this is heavy.
Here goes nothing!
Oh, that was close. You in one piece?
Yeah. Go team!
Come on. We're exposed up here.
You know, I feel so much safer with her around.
Nadine, see if there's something up there we can use.
I can do it.
No, we're good. Come on, China, I'll give you a boost.
All right, just trying to be chivalrous.
Just watching, man.
Yeah.
Got it.
You see anything up there we can climb on? Like a crate or something?
This should work.
Nice.
Got it.
Come on up.
Go ahead, Sam. Age before beauty.
Oh, you're too kind.
No, she's just worried I'd kick it over and leave you down there.
Right. How about I scout ahead a little?
Sam, see your way forward?
Sorta. We'll definitely need your grappling hooks.
Okie doke. On my way. Shit! Oh. Okay. You alright? Yeah.
Great, I'll just borrow Nadine's hook and...
I have a better idea.
What are you...
Don't move.
Ow, come on, hey.
I said don't move.
Unbelievable. Hey, ow, ow. Hey, too, Chloe.
Thanks for scouting ahead, Sam.
Yeah. Leave the rope for me.
You got it.
There's a cave up there. Might cut through to the tracks.
I take it she's going first.
Why don't you go ahead? Leave the rope for me.
You got it.
Next time, bring your own bloody rope.
Heads up.
Okay.
What is this place?
Light? Sure.
All right, well, there's only a few of them. We can probably...
Wait.
That sort of guy doesn't do things halfway. It's going to be quite a show.
Son of a bitch.
Sure, what the hell are they doing there? We got rid of all these...
Hey, Sam.
Saying...
Hey. You cool?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Because I need you to be cool.
I'm cool.
All right, ladies, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take the guy on the right. You two go ahead and just...
She said she was cool! Whoa! Yeah, don't stop for you.
Still, asshole! Hold still, would you?
Reinforcements inbound! Oh, shit. I've got one! Straight ahead! Stay down, asshole.
No way out of this!
Damn it. Nadine, another word?
What? Just following your example?
Yeah, but...
Come on. No way I'm letting anyone from Shoreline get the tusk.
That RPG trashed the exit.
Maybe, maybe not. Let's go see. You all right?
Yeah.
I think we can squeeze through here. Give me a hand.
Coming. Fraser, you go first.
Thanks.
How you doing in there?
Good. We're nearly to the rail yard. Shouldn't be long now. Oh, come on! Whoa! Oh god, shit! Oh, is that trip really necessary? Okay. Now then.
God's balls, she's alive! Nadine, she's over here!
Are you all right down there?
Yeah, I was fine until Sam made me picture God's balls. Where are you?
By the radio tower. Nadine, do you see a way up?
Fraser, we'll find something you can hook your rope to.
Ah, sounds like a plan.
Got something for you.
The bracelet against that strut.
I'm doing it. There. Okay. Come on up.
That doesn't sound good.
It's buckling.
Jesus!
Get up there! Go, go, go!
Sam, hold on to that bar.
I'm doing it! Oh, shit. Well, it looks sturdy enough.
Thanks, you too. Well done.
Yeah, not bad. Considering it was our idea.
So you never heard yourself talk about Caroline?
Swear to God, all I'd heard from this man was the Indian army had cut off his supply chain and they were looking for outside help.
The salt must be desperate.
Yeah, I mean, shoreline. I mean,
Forget it. It's true.
Hey, you know, this might actually work.
Stuck. Lend me a hand?
Sure.
Ah, tracks lined up now. Back to the cart.
Almost there.
Look out! Didn't see that coming. Everyone all right?
Fine.
Yeah. So much for our way up, though.
Yeah, maybe there's a way through, though.
Ah, right.
Can't stop now. Little high.
Sam, bet you're tall enough to get that ladder. Come on, I'll boost you up.
I'll give you a hand.
More the merrier.
Yeah, I'm okay with this. Sure.
Ready when you are.
Have you ever knocked?
Oh shit!
Sorry.
Great. Any spare ladders up there by any chance, Sam?
I will look around.
Been a crazy couple of days, hasn't it?
Yeah, well, can't say I was expecting Sam Drake to come back into my life.
You know, I wasn't sure if I could trust you either. Had to test you a little bit.
That include making me wait 2 hours in a war zone for you? Certainly tested my patience.
See, in that instance, I was just straight up late. There was this little girl in the market who sold me a scarf. She wouldn't take no for an answer.
Likely story.
Hey, you two head back to the tracks. I found something here that'll work.
Yep, coming! Okay, Sam. What do you got?
I have found a crate.
Of course you did.
Here, I'll push it down.
Wait, it won't be high enough on its own.
Oh, right. Good point.
We'll bring the cart over. We'll meet you halfway.
There you go. That's using the old noodle.
The what?
It's the... the noodle, it's a saying, as in your brain?
That is not what I pictured.
It was a compliment, for Christ's sake.
There we go. Old switcheroo.
You two are doing just great down there.
Okay, ready.
You got it. Arms away!
Perfect. Let's go.
All right, come on up. Your turn, Miss Ross.
Don't call me that.
Yeah, well, it's professional courtesy.
In that case, call me ma'am.
I can't do that.
Look, nearly there. Sam, you can use my rope.
Part of the rope club. I'm honored.
Clear. Come on.
Here, I got your rope.
Thanks.
Well, this just keeps getting better and better. Between Asav's man and Shoreline, there must be at least a couple dozen guys in there.
Hang on. What's in that crate?
Guns, ammo, maybe?
Maybe.
I thought Shoreline didn't do arms deals.
They didn't.
Never mind the crate. Where's the tusk?
Well, there's a salve with Orca.
Who?
My former lieutenant.
I remember this guy. You know where he is, in all of his mullet glory. Right? She gets it.
Okay, well, the deal's done. Your boy Orca has the tusk.
Let's go relieve him of it.
Hey, whoa, wait. We got a plan, guys. Like I said, there's over a couple dozen guys in there.
Relax. You'll live longer.
I am so proud.
What just happened?
Safety's off, chappies. No word from our lookouts, so we're on cleanup. Take extra care with Miss Ross.
Oh, great. The chopper's airborne.
Well, there goes our tusk.
No. They'll stick around to clean house first.
You mean us?
Let's bring that sucker down.
That was close.
Anything?
No! Don't see that! Crap! They're gone!
Search the area.
We gotta bring down that chopper! Chloe! You find any explosives anywhere? Something?
Everyone spread out.
I don't think they see us.
What the hell, man? You see them?
Nothing. Shit, another one dropped.
Keep searching. They're here somewhere. God damn it! Does anyone have anything? They've got to be close. So if we quiet down there, what's happening? Keep searching! They're here somewhere!
Check the lockboxes! Maybe there's something we can use!
Others, you got anything? Clear it out. I'll keep watch up here.
Some serious armor over there.
Unless I do everything myself, take them out!
We gotta bring down that chopper!
Lock them into the hood!
Explosives anywhere? Something?
Incoming reinforcements! We're not in the clear yet!
For interfering!
Got anything down there? They're still here, goddammit!
Damn, how are they still flying?
It's holding!
Heads up, I'm not seeing any more explosives! We got a plan B here?
We can't let Orca get away!
There's gotta be something we can do!
Talk to me! You find anything?
Fraser! I bet we can hook our ropes onto the helicopter! Come on! Look! We can try hooking our ropes onto the helicopter! That's crazy! Let's do it!
Any sign of them?
We lost them.
Chloe! Try hooking your rope onto the helicopter!
That's batshit crazy! I'll do it!
I'll take care of the Murph! You go get the top!
Oh, really?
I'm on it! Take them out!
working well.
What the hell have you done with my company?
Made it profitable, for starters.
I think that was a rhetorical question, love.
I should have shot you back on that godforsaken island.
I wish you had. It would have spared us the sight of watching you turn tail and run.
All right, just hash your shit out on your own time, okay? Tusk, please.
You two. Partners. Either you've got a piss-poor memory or you're even more desperate than I thought.
Jeez, I'm just getting it from all sides today, aren't I?
I'm not the one reduced to hustling weapons to ragtag insurgents.
Ah, there it is, eh? There it is. Always thinking too small. You really think I would have traded this in exchange for munitions?
I don't give a shit. Hand over the tusk.
Pals, pals. You're gonna miss the fireworks, man.
I won't ask twice.
Cats.
Gun!
Nice shot.
Thanks.
Pattern's a little wide. You
Get
could...
the hell off me.
Yeah. All right. Mind if see that first? Hi. A third of that is mine as well.
You're splitting Chloe's share.
Okay. I know you're new to this, but that's not exactly how it works.
Consider it a service charge.
You hang on a goddamn second.
It's a bomb.
What?
A Sav traded the tusk for a bomb.
Fireworks.
This is big.
Yeah. Those tracks run right through the city. Through the market.
So we'll find the nearest town. Notify the authorities.
It'll be too late. If that goes off, it'll kill thousands.
And that is a terrible shame. But we did get what we came for.
What? You are not seriously going after that train. Okay, fine. Fine, you have a plan?
Doesn't seem to be much of a requirement in this organization.
Are you really going to let her do this?
No, I mean, she's got a valid point. Shit, I don't know, okay?
This is not our fight. You said so yourself. Even if you catch that train, what happens? Disarming the bomb is impossible.
You're right.
Good. Good, so we'll call the authorities
This
and...
isn't our fight. It's my fight. That bomb detonates in the city. It'll spark civil war. I can't walk away. I'm tired of walking away.
You'll die.
I can live with that. Hey. Save my share of the tusk. Okay? Just in case, right?
What? You're not gonna leave me back there with her?
Out!
No.
I call shotgun.
Fine. I'll sit in the back.
Not